In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the size of the marker tool in FigJam. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. Log into your account so you're taken to your Figma home screen. From here, you'll want to work in FigJam, which is Figma's whiteboarding space. You can either create a new FigJam file by clicking on FigJam, or simply open a recent FigJam file from your recents list if you already have one set up. Once your FigJam file is open, look for the marker tool. It's located in the toolbar and is designed for freehand sketching, quick notes, and emphasis. When you click the marker tool, you'll see controls for customizing it. You can choose a color that suits your canvas, and most importantly for this tutorial, you can pick the weight. You'll see options for thick and thin. To reduce the size of your marker, choose thin. This immediately switches your marker to a slimmer stroke, which is great for more precise handwriting or delicate outlines. Now try drawing directly on the canvas. Click and drag with the thin weight selected to sketch, underline, or jot notes. You'll notice your strokes are lighter and more compact, which helps keep things readable when you're working with lots of elements on the board. If you need to highlight without overwhelming the page, the thin marker is perfect. If you've already drawn something and it looks too thick, you can fix it without redrawing. Click the marker stroke you want to change to select it. With it selected, look again at the marker controls and switch the weight from thick to thin. You'll see the stroke instantly update to the thinner size, keeping the exact same path and shape. This is especially handy for cleaning up a messy board or bringing visual hierarchy back to your notes. Keep in mind that changing the weight on one selected stroke won't rewrite your entire canvas. It only affects the selection. If you want new strokes to be thin from the start, make sure the thin option is active before you continue drawing. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use colors that contrast well with your background so thinner strokes remain easy to see. And zoom in slightly when working in fine detail to keep your lines clean and legible. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your FigJam file, selected the marker tool, chosen your color and the thin weight, drawn on the canvas, and adjusted any existing thick strokes by switching them to thin. This simple flow keeps your drawings neat, precise, and easy to read.